ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes sir. Yes teacher. Present ma'am.
Hello children, good morning. Welcome to 4th standard English class. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ರಜದಲ್ಲಿ? ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬೇಗ ಶಾಲೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರೋಣ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ household articles. First, shall we sing a rhyme children? Okay, we'll sing a rhyme. Cup and saucer, ready for tea, ready for tea. How many children, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Bed and pillow, ready for sleep, ready for sleep. How many children, 4, 5, 6. Chair and table, ready for work, How many children, 7, 8, 9. Children, did you like the rhyme? Shall we sing once again? But you should stand up and sing with me. Come on. Yeah, get up children. Sing with me now. Cup and saucer, ready for tea, How many children, 1, 2, 3. Bed and pillow, ready for sleep, How many children, 4, 5, 6. Chair and table, ready for work, How many children, 7, 8, 9. Okay children, did you like the rhyme? Yes children, today we are going to learn the poem The Clock of Life. Observe the two pictures over here children. What do you see here? One is green plant and one more is dry plant. Which one do you like children? This dry plant or this one? Which one do you like? Green plant. Why do you like this one? Because it is green. It gives us food, shelter, everything it gives us, isn't it? And what about this one? We don't like this one, but we use this one also for many purpose. But we like this one. Why this plant is very dry children? Yes, it is not taken care of because no water, no sunlight, nothing. So it is dried up. Okay, and see these pets children. Here you can see dog playing. And what about this one? Yes, we lost that dog. Do you have pets at home children? Yes, those who have pets, they know this one. When we have these pets at home, we love it very much. We play with that, isn't it? But when we lose that, we feel very sad, isn't it? Children, can we get back the pet after losing that? Do you think you can get the pet back after losing this? No, we can't get it back. Now what about this one? Can we get this plant once again after drying up? No, we can't get it back. Like that only, we can't get back this pet also. Children, like this only, our life is. Our life is like a clock. Once it is winded, we can't turn it back. But what we will do to the clock when it stops? What we will do children? Yes, we'll wind it. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೀ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೀ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಬಟ್ Can we get these pets back? No, we can't get it back. Why, children? Life clock will be winded once, only once. If we want also, we can't go back and we can't make corrections. Isn't it, children? Before starting our poem, we'll learn few new words. What is this, children? Wind. Tell with me, children. Repeat after me. Wind. What do you mean by wind? See, what is he doing? Yes, winding the clock. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೀ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Wind means what? Make a clock work by turning a key or handle. Isn't it, children? Can you make a sentence out of this, children? Wind. Wind a monkey doll before playing. All of you have a monkey doll, isn't it, children? Before playing it, you will wind it. Isn't it? You are going to wind it. Then only it will play nicely. Wind means what? Make a clock. Clock or doll or something. Make a doll or clock work by turning a key or handle. And what is this, children? Toil. What is this? Toil. What do you mean by toil? Work. What is toil? Work. Yes. What is work? We see around us many people working, isn't it? Many professions we see. Who is she? Can you recognize this one? Yes, she is a teacher. And who is he? Yeah, he is a driver. And who is he? Doctor. Everybody knows now, isn't it, children? Yes. And who is he? Weaver. Who is he? Weaver. And who is he? He is a coolie. We need all type of works around us, isn't it, children? Yes. Can we make a sentence of this toil word, children? Yes. The farmer toil in the field from morning till evening. Shall I repeat once again, children? Toil. The farmer toil in the field from morning till evening. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು? ದ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್, ರೈತ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದವರೆಗೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಟಾಯ್ಲ್. ಟಾಯ್ಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ವರ್ಕ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನಾವು ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ರಿಸ್ಟೋರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೀ. ರಿಸ್ಟೋರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ರಿಸ್ಟೋರ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಸಿ, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್? ಯಾ, ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್? Repairing. See this man? What is he doing? He is repairing a bike, isn't it? When do we repair, children? When do we go for repair? When it is not working, isn't it? When it's not working, we'll go for repair. Can we make a sentence out of this one, children? Yeah. Restore. Yeah. The mechanic restore the bike when it is damaged. Restore. The mechanic restore. Restore means what? Repair the bike when it is damaged. Very good, children. Now shall we learn poem now? Yeah, this is the first poem in the textbook, children. The clock of life is wound but once, and no man has the power to tell just when the hands will stop at late or early hour. To lose one's wealth is sad indeed. To lose one's health is more. To lose one's soul is such a loss that no man can restore. Today only is our own. Okay, children. Did you like the poem? Yes. Now I am going to explain line by line, children. Then you will understand what does this poem mean. The clock of life is wound but once. What did you learn about wound? Yes, winding. What do you mean by wound? Yes, make a clock work by turning key, isn't it? The clock of life is wound but once. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಗಡಿಯಾರ ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ತಿರುಗಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. the clock of life is wound but once. And no man has the power. Power ಅಂದರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ಎಸ್, ಶಕ್ತಿ. ಪವರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್, ಶಕ್ತಿ. and no man has the power. ಯಾವ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಶಕ್ತಿ? to tell just when the hands will stop. to tell just when the hands will stop. ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಕ್ಲಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೈಗಳು ನಿಂತೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೂ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. nobody has the power to tell when our clock is going to stop, whether it is late or early hour, whether we are going to disappear late or early, nobody has the power to tell, children. Now, to lose one's wealth is sad indeed. What do you mean by wealth, children? What do you mean by wealth? Yes, ದುಡ್ಡು, ಹಣ, ಕಾಸು, property, everything. It is called as wealth. To lose one's wealth is sad indeed. Means lose ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕಳ್ಕೊಳೋದು. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ವೆಲ್ತನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡಿದ್ರು, ಹಣ ಇದ್ದರೂ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಅನುಭವಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ವಿ ನೀಡ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ನಮಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಃಖ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಃಖ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಸೋಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಅ ಲಾಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಸೋಲ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಡು ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋಲ್? ಡು ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋಲ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? Yes, it is inner feeling about others. How we behave, how we treat other people, everything is called as soul. To lose one's soul is such a loss. Means what, children? If we lose our soul, if we misbehave with others, if we ill-treat others, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಟ್ಟವ್ರ ಥರ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಹಾಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ನಾವು ಕೆಟ್ಟವರು ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? No, we can't change it. That no man can restore. ರಿಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನಾಗಲೇ? ಎಸ್, ರಿಪೇರ್. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟವರು ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್, ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಇಟ್. ಹೌದಲ್ವ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಎಸ್. ಟುಡೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಹೌದಲ್ವ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮದು. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನಾಳೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ today only is our own. So how we should be? So live, love and toil with a will. So live ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗ್ರಂಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಹೌದಲ್ವ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಲವ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು? ಒಬ್ರನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟಾಯ್ಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು? ಎಸ್, ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ವಿಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ಎಸ್, ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು. ನಾವೇನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲಿವ್, ಲವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟಾಯ್ಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ವಿಲ್. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮೇ ಸೂನ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಾಳೆದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮೇ ಸೂನ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ನಿಲ್ಲೋದು. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಲಿವ್, ಲವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟಾಯ್ಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ವಿಲ್. ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ. ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ವೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ತಿರುಗಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಏನಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಫುಲ್ಲೆಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಲವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now, did you learn the poem? Did you understand the poem, children? Now, we'll fill in the blanks choosing correct words which are below written here, children. See here, sad, soul, late, early and happy. Now, you should choose the words properly and fill in the blanks over here, children. Did you understand? Shall we start now? Okay. The clock stops dash or dash. Check out with your textbook and tell me what should be written here. Yes, good. Late. The clock stops late or early. Very good. Now shall we go for the next one? Yes. Losing wealth is dash. ನಾವು ಹಣಕಾಸು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನಾಗಲೇ. ಎಸ್, ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ಹೌ ವಿ ಫೀಲ್? ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್. ಆದರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನಾಗಲೇ, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳೋದು ಇನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಃಖ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್. ಶಲ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್? ಎಸ್, ದ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೆನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ರಿಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್. ಆಗಲೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಏನನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? ಎಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೋಲ್. ಸೋಲ್. ದ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೋಲ್ ಕೆನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ರಿಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್. ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೋಲ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್. Shall we learn that one? Yes. Now I'll say the words. You repeat after me, children. Clock. Yes, clock. What is this? Clock. Life. What is this, children? Life. L-I-F-E. Life. What is this one? Wound. Wound. What is this, children? Repeat after me. Wound. What is this one? Yeah, par. Par. And what is this one? Hour. Hour. What is this one? Yes, toil. Toil. And what is that? Wealth. What is that? Wealth. And what is this one? Health. Health. And what is this? Soul. Soul. What is this? Live. Live. What is this? Love. Love. And what is this one? Still. Still. Okay. Copy down the words, children. Copy the words in your notebooks. Yes, you should learn the words and you should show it to your teacher, children. You should learn to read this one and learn to write. Okay, copy the words, children, in your notebook. Still. Did you copy, children? Now look at the things over, children. See here. Okay, children. Observe these things, children. See. What is this? Cooker, stove, tiffin box. Yes, pan, cylinder. Yes, what is this? Yes, chapati madadu. Haudalva? Then what is this? Basket. Then bottle. Isn't it, children? Where do we see all these things, children? Where do we see all these things? Yes, in kitchen. Very good. Where do we see this one? Kitchen. What is this, children? Yes, bed and pillow. And what is this? See here. Yes, lamp, bed lamp. And what is this one, children? See, table and phone. Where do we keep all these things, children? Yes, in bedroom. Where do we keep this one? Bedroom. And see this one, children? Yes, table. Yes. And coffee cup, stool, dressing table, chair. Where do we keep this one, children? Yes, in living room. Where do we keep this one? Living room. And what are these, children? See here. Yes, bucket, sink. What do we do in this one? Yes, we wash our hands, isn't it? Sink. And this is bathtub. Yes. And what is this one, children? Yes, toilet, commode, isn't it? Yes. Where do we see all these, children? Yes, in bathroom. Now, can you identify the picture over here, children? Can you just identify the picture? Yes. See this one? What is this? Yes, plate of snacks. And what is this one? Yes, stove is there, mixie, isn't it? Cooker. Okay. Then what is this? Curtain. What is this? TV. This one? Sofa. This one? Chair. This one? plates and plate stand is there, isn't it? And what is that? Table. Yes, full of so many snacks, variety of snacks, isn't it? And that one? Bucket. What is that? Bucket. What is this one? Phone. Can we arrange this, children, now? Where all these things will come? Can we arrange now? Yes, see, children. In living room. What are the things will come, children? Now you only tell me now. Yes. Yes, in living room. Living room andre eno? Hall. Living room andre eno? Hall. Hall alli ಏನೇನು ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Yes, TV, sofa. Yes, ಕಿಚನ್. ಕಿಚನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಈಗ? ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಮಾತ್ರ ತೋರಿಸ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್, isn't it? Okay. Yes, see here. Stove, cooker, mixie. We keep all these things in kitchen. And plates and plate stand, spoon, everything we keep it here, children. Where do we keep this one? Yes, in kitchen. Okay, what do we keep in bedroom, children? Yes, see, bed and pillow. And curtain, we'll put curtain to the windows or door. And what do we keep in bathroom, children? Yes, bucket. What do we keep? Yes, bucket. In dining room, what do we keep, children? Yes, see, a table full of snacks, isn't it? On dining room, what do we keep? Table on that variety of snacks, isn't it? Plates of snacks. And in bathroom, one more thing. Yes, tap. What do we keep? Tap. Okay. Yes, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ರೂಮ್ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹೌದು, ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಕಿಚನ್. ಕಿಚನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಎಸ್, ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆ. ಗುಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್. ಏನು ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ? ಮಲಗುವಂಥ ರೂಮ್. ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್? ಹೌದು, ಸ್ನಾನದ ಕೋಣೆ. ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್. ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಊಟ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸ್ಥಳ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಸಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹಾಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಸಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹಾಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫುಡ್. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಹಾಲಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲವ್ರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೂಮ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನಾವು ಶಲ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಯು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಟಬ್. What is this? Tub. What is this? Stool. What is this? Stool. This one? Fan. Fan. This one? Door. Door. What is this? Spoon. What is this? Spoon. This one? Bed. Bed. And what is this one? Sheep. Sheep. And what is this? Pin. Now, I pronounce the word in different way, isn't it, children? See, I said only tub. I took only few seconds for this one. How did I pronounce this one, children? Yes, stool. I took little more time, isn't it? Stool. How did I pronounce this one, children? Yes, fan. I took only few seconds. See here, what is this? Door. Only few seconds. How did I pronounce this one? Spoon. I took little more time. And how did I pronounce this one? Bed. Bed. Only few seconds. And how did I pronounce this one? Yes, sheep. Sheep. I took more time. And how did I pronounce this one? Yes, pin. Little time, isn't it? See this, children. Now, I'll repeat these words after me, children. Then you will understand what is the difference between these two words. Okay? Fill, feel. Tell me, children. Fill, feel. Full, fool. Dip, deep. Good. Pull, pool. Slip, sleep. Bit, beat. Ship, sheep. Will, wheel. Fit, feet. Did you understand the difference between this one, children? Yes, see, we pronounce fill and feel. What is the difference between fill and feel? What is fill? Filling water, isn't it? Filling water. And what is this feel? We feel sad when we lose our wealth, health, isn't it, children? This is different and this is also different. But how do we pronounce is different. See, fill, feel. We take less time here and we take more time here. Full, full. What do you mean by full? Full, a glass full of water. What is fool? Fool. What do you mean by fool? Yes, not having knowledge. Dip, deep. Dip means what? Dipping biscuit in the glass, in coffee, isn't it? Deep. Deep means what? Very deep inside. These words have different meanings, children. We use very little time pronouncing these words and very little more time to pronounce these words, isn't it, children? Now, did you understand the poem and all these words, children? Okay, what did you learn from the poem, children? Yes, clock of our life is wound but once. We can't restore it back once we lose it. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ನ ವೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ತಿರುಗಿಸಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆನಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್, isn't it? And many household articles also you learned, isn't it? And different rooms of the house, isn't it? Did you all learn that one? Shall I give you homework now, children? You should copy this one. Take out your book first, your textbook. I'll mention the page number. Okay? Then you have to write it and you should show to your teacher. Shall I give you homework now? Yes. Open page number 16, children. Now whatever you learnt now previously, short vowel and long vowel. Okay, same thing. See, mother wanted Sham, not one, only one fill in the blanks I'll show you, children. But all the other thing you only have to do. What may be mother want him, children? Yes, mother want Sham not to sit, S-I-T, sit, on the driver's seat. Did you understand? Seat. Okay. Other things you only have to do, children. Okay, write it down and show it to your teacher. 3 more are there. A dash feels that this world is dash of fools. Okay. Children, you have to complete this one and you should show to your teacher and get it corrected. Open page number 15. Yes. See, I'll show the object and you have to make question after that and you have to write the answer for that. One I'll show you. What is this plate for? You have to write the question also. Plate. What's a plate for? What is the answer for this one? Yes, it's for eating. It's for eating. For what do we use plate, children? Yes, it's for eating. And other things you have to write by yourself, children. See, broom. What do you mean by broom, children? Yes, porke. Okay, porke. What is a broom for? ನಾವು ಪೊರ್ಕೆನ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Yes, it's for sweeping or cleaning. Other questions you have to frame and you have to write the answer and show it to your teacher, children. Thank you, children. I am Anita Shobini, GMPS Batrainpura from Bangalore.